Yeah, I pull out my motor this morning. Gonna replace it with a Yeti motor. As I'm taking it apart, I hear crunching. Then I'm like, holy shit. That's side to side. And yeah, it's only 4 months old. And lightly used. Like, I don't jump, I don't really do crazy shit. Just drive it up and down the street. Do some donuts. And so I'm hoping this Axial 3150 kV will be sufficient replacement. I'll let you guys know. Thanks.